Athoganirwa ba Waamba ni baithukirite cukuru ya Kathanthatu Mixed Day Secondary utuku bwa gukira NAARUA na aria batigite boragite MUKARIA umwe na ungi gutigwa guraritwe bunene agitutira uturo bwawe cibitari-ini ya Consolata Nkubu ikarikari rira rikujiritwe ni munini wa Chibo waga kuri nterecha kigane South Imenti na aria tayari uchunkuni bwambiritie akere mubunge wa South Imenti Shadrack Mwiti ni aborerete nja irita ukirina kuga karungamira ngarama chia uria uri cibitari nenduranirite rugono ru Kirigani getigikire cukuru ya secondary ya Kathanthatu ndene ya Imenti South nyuma ya antu bati kumenyeka kwithukira cukuru eje na gutiga MUKARIA umwe akwite nonge na banja cha mwiri sub chief wa Gakurini akujirite ikarikari
saa 12 nde ngwatire reports that kuri mandu jaronora cukuru ya Kathanthatu ndi secondary school na matukire no ndiguita imbithire wachumanio monoragi na ungi imbithire akutharwa uria thigukuite aigwa Nkubu Consolata Hospital amba bau baunite clerk baunite a principal na baunite secretary ndo tinto baromba ko yuki gua biara genwe niko kuonania kienine agwe na ada bendera ciambawa kwina ndamu nyingi sana ande kuthiuruka nyunjure nange ngorire thwe ngona stiro kwina ndamu agukara jawa chumani barare no bambaniriti monga bakingania kienine
nongerete borithi ni bambiritie uchunkuni
indipotre Ngobo police station na askari ba responded very fast na ni investigation totigeria bathithia yao ngutikia bo ibu karikira NAARUA.
We trust with the security team around, we are going to know who the perpetrators are, their motive, and they will all be brought to book.
Akiboreria nja ire iringikite kumania na ikarikariri mubunge wa South Imenti ndagitari Shadrack Mwiti na ugite akarungamira kira gikwendeka na gutigire ikarikatari ritathithika kairi.
I convey my condolences to the grieved family and a quick recovery to the person who is already hospitalized. I'm going to take care of the fees for the children of the bereaved who are left here till they finish Form 4. We'll also take care of the essentials that are required for the burial. I will also follow up on the treatment and the medical bill of the person who is in hospital. Whatever has happened, we can't reverse it now, but we are going to do our best. We are going to pray hello on seeing that such an incident is not going to be repeated in the future.